Pancake Swap Tutorial: How to buy exciting Binance Smart Chain Coins. Step 1. Make sure to copy the contract address of the desired coin. For example, here is the contact address for free Britney coin. Step 2. Download Trust Wallet and create a wallet. Add a free Britney coin to your wallet by tapping the icon in the top right. Tap Add Custom Token. Paste the contract address box here. Next, put Free Britney Coin as the name and the symbol as Britney. Decimals will be 18. Click Done at the top and you should now have Free Britney Coin added to your wallet. Step 3. Buy Binance Smart Chain. Tap on Smart Chain on the main screen of the Trust Wallet. Then tap Buy in the top right. Complete the purchasing process with your available vendor. Step 4. Swap Binance Smart Chain for free Britney coin. Ensure to fund your wallet with BNB. Now tap on the dApps browser on the bottom menu. On the new dApps section, tap on the Pancake Swap icon. Make sure you are connected to the Binance Smart Chain. If your wallet is not paired, tap on Connect and then tap on Trust Wallet. Now, ensure that you have the exchange option selected on the top menu. Then, click on Select a Currency here. Simply paste the free Britney coin contract address here, or any other coin contract address that you wish to purchase. Here you can see the Britney coin. Click on Import. Then click on Import. Enter the amount of the token and tap on the swap. You will then see the details of your request. Tap on Confirm Swap. Once you confirm the swap, your transaction will be processed.